Wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Iskala Agustin. Here present my article is titled Reflective Thinking is the of Climber, Temper and Twitter. Taking as activity of mining of transition information into the knowledge. The level of human thinking ability is different. Reflective thinking is when the is needed to the mathematical problem. It is adapted with individual expand when looking for academic ideal or methods. There are four aspects of reflective thinking. This aspect review, monitoring, market, and compression. The technique aspect is progress of the individual. The component is indicator of reflective thinking of present in table 1. Technique monitoring is set and conclusion. In solving problems, students need to involve reflective thinking and IQ. IQ is human reflective to make difficult and how to elaborate their focus. In the word education, IQ is ability. The student also need to keep trying when students face difficult and reach their improvement. IQ has three categories. First, IQ in the concoction forward for education, studying and improve all aspects of success. Second, IQ is administered to determine expression response of the question. Third, IQ assess of the tool that have on second basis to improve one response to default. According to literature review, there is gap to observe more on how students take reflectively based on their IQ level climber, camper, and quitter. Therefore, this review then what about the reflective thinking of climber, camper, and quitter students. Research is necessary because in process of the rest, it aims to give the student caption up to their present data is solving problem and find their ability. If the research is not carried out, students will then not know about their thinking skill. These are the repetitive pattern as async test student method. QT rest is the rest method is the false positive and philosophy as the test to university natural setting. The test are present without any manipulation. The test are student reflective thinking ability and IQ question method. The rest participant in student at senior hill school in Tava. The student in SMP Table Santalan Sragen. The rest participant saw their ability to thinking with think a lot method. While the student go to the ability to thinking and not evaluation. The rest category them either IQ categories are climber, camper, and quitter. This test in Form 29 test subject and concern of non-climber, 3 camper and 7 quitter is also present in that Form 3 subject, 1 camper, 1 student climber and 1 student quitter. Instrument. The instrument has a question desk, interview booth, and observation set. These instruments have been validated by their validators. The instrument of evaluation, conclusion of control, again worksheet, such an estimation. Critical problem. The question will exercise, observation, set, interview, and think aloud. The subfield of the IQ measure to the category of climber, camper, and quitter. Furthermore, the subject solved mathematical problem at the same time. The video recording was in progress and the rest observed the subject movement. The observers were in caution in the observation. The data systems in the rest and prediction, the spread and verification, the reduction take in fact important and the set object. Reduction, the data display present the student taking skill based overall technical monetary concept and conclusion the driving question. Rest and discussion. Subject 1 is subject is accused skill of climber type. Subject 2 the subject IQ is camper type. Subject 3 is subject with IQ and quitter type. Subject was climber camper. The conclusion began to make language subject of the artificial and determinant critical intellectual. When answering the question, the subject was confident several times in the internal form was given as 1 week of complaint. When it stood on difficulty as one was not easy, discord and error was straight. Subject 1 counter subject. A lot if the subject is considered that is several times or the filter point where is subject. Enter here result to check whether is the answer correct. In the third answer will be wrong, but subject 1 was only this word. After trying, the subject finally found the equivalent of legal of foreign. Subject 1 for individual solving problem, therefore subject 1 for the try again for recording the answer. Of subject 1 record of the part the was considered heavy difficult for her. Then S1 subject 1 will call the recording asking for it. Subject 2 with a temper when it's not answered. The subject will quit unwilling to the answer and thus give up every time and for difficult S3 subject 3 was devoted easily and did not want to more attempting to get to the end. Subject 3 was also not willing to re-examine about the answer of that. The technical aspect student with reflective thinking approach with Lambert and Campbell type and critical and paper problem activity and development program. The information about reflective problem. The student with reflective thinking ability will create type and ability less difficult means to decide way of to solve problem. In the monitoring step, the team reflective, the Campbell type acute ability and remotely is taken in answer and correct the mistake will complete the task. Reflective thinking student will simple type articulate then ask the teacher for open ear and wait for it for the test and that the aim is the correct in answer. Maybe reflective thinking student with filter type acute ability cause the next pattern and that evaluate person that correct the and give up the subject happy in the technical aspect, monitoring method and conclusion. The personal aspect, reflective thinking student will Lambert and Campbell type accord will have the interest in problem solving. The will never give up as an amazing the have done my university student with greater depth of the greater additional in working on the text. The analysis to think the subject has to solve the problem they get and information answer of them. Finally, on the conclusion, after thinking student with Campbell type and future the percussion by noticing the hazard ability. Lambert have been better the temper and quicker because after taking student with Lambert type will actually answer bit more complex and less error. Meanwhile, reflective thinking student with quicker type and heavy conclusion because when the student are working the task, they are not able to connect the concept and not understand the concept and that the problem solving is not there is problem solving too. The Lambert studying as the problem explains this deficit absent. The absolute computer reporting the formula and what's object. The Lambert subject will never complain the second and village in sub every time the finding deficit. The critical subject during problem solving given the result were in doubt and for difficult. When they found difficult and subject were in difficult and did not went to more absent in net. Thus, if the category has more in the subject ability of their reason ability during problem solving for the research in photo can be more valuable in the format of student level thinking ability in solving problem. I think that's all for me. Thank you and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.